inside, then you'll look beautiful on the outside.
And what do you think about Vogue Beauty Awards 2014?
I love the Vogue Beauty Awards. Just another good occasion to dress up and look beautiful.
Thank you. I'm wearing Gauri and Nainika today. Beauty to me means just to be yourself and to be happy with how God made you and to stay fit and be healthy. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. My style, Guru, I haven't looked for one. It's not a religion I follow. I just follow what my heart says. So my style Guru is my heart. Yeah, alright, thank you.
Skin products, so it was just a lot of fun. Okay, and what do you think is your beauty and who is your beauty icon? Huh? Okay. Huh? Who is your beauty icon and what do you think is your beauty? Well, I think someone like Gayatri Devi is she's timeless beauty, according to me. Thanks.
यार ऑनेस्टली अगर नॉर्मल इवेंट पे नहीं जा रहा हो तो 5 मिनट नहीं तो 20 मिनट. सो 20 मिनट्स इज व्हाट आई कैन डू. उससे ज़्यादा मेरे में पेशेंस नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैन लुक इन 20 मिनट्स. आई थिंक ब्यूटी मीन्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली यू हैव टू बी कंफर्टेबल whatever you're wearing and you need to wear clothes which suit you and just be comfortable. I think comfort is what internationally I would say Mr. Bachchan. Because even at this age, I think he looks the most young and most charismatic. I would say Mr. Bachchan. Okay, I really respect Malala. मेरे से एक ऑटो करेक्ट की गलती हुई थी और तब से मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं उन्हें सॉरी बोलूं. And I think this was the best opportunity. I'm a huge fan of her. Even though she's 10-11 साल मेरे से छोटी है, but she's achieved so much more. So I have a lot of respect, and I'm very happy that she saw the video, and I got a chance to speak to her, and she personally thanked me on the phone. I'm really happy about it. Haji? As of now, we'll talk about fashion and Malala. Thank you.
Who's my style icon? Actually, I don't have any style icons, but I would say that I love Sabyasachi. You would think, why am I calling him a style icon? But I think he's somebody who creates style, you know. So I think I would like him because I like his understated way of styling other people. And what I love is that he keeps it basic, simple, and always understated. So I like him, as usual. एक घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि एक घंटा मेरे लिए बहुत होता है। एक घंटे से ऊपर फिर मैं खुद ही बोर हो जाती हूँ। एकदम गलत है। थैंक यू। Here only? Yeah. My beauty secret would be just having fish and rice and lots of water. Thanks.
It feels super. I've been here now coming for 3 years and it's lovely. So I always enjoy it. And I have a TV show on, it's called the Tara Sharma Show on Star World. And I'm very happy to say that a brand that I met here last year is now getting involved in the show.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
And how do you feel? I mean, what do you think is your beauty secret? How do you stay so beautiful?
I don't know if I'm beautiful or anything. All I know is that I run after my kids and drink lots of water and exercise regularly. But I think running after 2 boys keeps me fit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Hi.
What are you wearing?
It's a lover.
What's your style icon?
My style icon would be Jennifer Aniston.
And if you would like to change something about the Khan's style, what would you like to change?
About the
Khans, all the 3 Khans. One thing about their style you would like to change.
easy and comfortable. Yeah? I think women enjoy dressing up, looking beautiful, grooming themselves. I think it's a very important aspect of, you know, yourself and looking good. And I'm going to have a great time in the band.
Well, I'm wearing Gauri Nanika, and I love my little ball. It's by Judith Lieber, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And a beautiful ring by Gaina. Well, I think beauty is about just being in the moment, dressing the way you feel. If it's a glamorous night, I think give it your best shot, and if it's not, then just take it easy and just try and keep it extremely simple for as long as you can and for whatever the occasion is. Yeah. मुझे वैसे तो ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगता अगर मैं काम पर नहीं जा रही हूँ, but if I have to get ready for something like this, I'm going to be honest, it took me 1.5 hours, and because there's a lot of gossip also that goes on, and then there are lots of phone calls that come, and उसके बाद भूख भी लग जाती है. So I think it's a mix of everything, and then it takes about 1.5 hours. Thank you very much.
Somebody's clothes. Well, this is I think this is a Christian Dior jacket, and somebody else's trousers. The suit is Christian Dior. My style icon. Internationally, here, where, anywhere.
Anything.
Well,
If this look there and
yeah.
dancer.
Well, we have a lot of international celebrities who dress up really well. Ryan Gosling, for one, David Beckham, Brad Pitt. So, I mean, we flip through pages of magazines and I look at all these people and the way they dress. Mostly everybody abroad dresses up really well, so I look up and pick out styles over there.
One question. What would you like to change in the Khans if you were given a chance?
In the Khans?
Yeah, style statement. Would you like to change?
Well, the three of them have sort of unique style statement that they make, and people like them for that statement. So I don't think anyone should change anything about them because people love them as they are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As usual, styled by myself, so I'm wearing BCBG and standing Farah Khan Ali jewels. Farah, I think Farah has the most exquisite jewelry, and I usually feel like I need a bodyguard whenever I wear any of her pieces. So yeah, very lucky to have a friend like her. My style icon, don't really have that many in India. Of course, I love what Kankana does. She's great. I like Zeenat Aman of the old days, but I love people like Sophia Loren, Gina Lollobrigida, Brigitte Bardot. I like that sexy, feminine, curvy women. So, yeah. कितना वक्त लगता है तैयार होने में? अगर मैं खुद तैयार हो रही हूँ तो मैं 10-15 मिनट में भी तैयार हो सकती हूँ. अगर एक बड़े इवेंट के लिए है तो झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, 1 से 1.5 घंटा लग जाता है. Nothing like that. Looking that way or to you? That way? Beauty secrets. It's just about leading a healthy lifestyle. It sounds very boring, but work out, eat well, masalon se dur raho, tel se dur raho. And I think honestly, the biggest beauty secret is to somehow feel happy and confident from within, and then you'll always look right.
According to you, is very stylish in Bollywood actress?
Yeah, I think Kangana for me is the most stylish because she can wear designer, she can wear high street, she has her own style, and she's worked really hard at it. So I really respect and value that. Thank you.
What are you wearing tonight?
Gauri Nanika.
Many of them are wearing them.
They're a popular designer.
Who's the style icon?
मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
कितना वर्क आप यूजुअली लगाती है इस तरह के रेड कार्पेट?
See, अगर मुझे खुद अकेले तैयार होना होता है then like 10 मिनट, लेकिन अगर मुझे किसी इवेंट में तैयार होना होता है then I'm very fortunate कि मेरी लाइफ में हेयर एंड मेकअप जो जिनको आता है, जिन्होंने सीखा है, ऐसे लोग हैं जो सब कुछ कर देते हैं. तो मुझे बस चेयर पे बैठना होता है और I have to let them work their magic. So like 45 minutes. I'm sure थोड़ी बहुत तो रहती होगी. कभी जो जा रहे होते हैं I'm usually a little later than him in getting ready. But what can you do? I'm a girl. It's difficult to say any one person in particular. I think I don't know. No one in particular.
Ranveer or Ranveer, which style do you like better?
I think Ranveer, as I always say, is a huge risk taker. His sense of style is an act of bravery. Ranveer, I think, dresses a little bit more relaxed, but I think both of them have a very, very different kind of style, so it's very difficult to choose between the two of them.
And if you get a chance to change any style in the Khans, what would you change?
Change their sense of style.
You would love to style one particular thing. Yeah, one particular thing.
I think it's very difficult to, or you should not try and change anybody's style, because I think style, according to me, is a very, very personal thing. It is an extension of who you are as a person and how you feel on a particular day. So no point changing anybody, because that's who they are. Then you're trying to like alter with how they are as people. So no point. And what's the big deal? It's fine. Let people dress the way they want to dress. It doesn't have. It's not so important to look perfect. I mean, come on, it's just clothes. It's fine.
Would you like to share your beauty secrets? I know it won't be a secret anymore if you reveal them, but still, would like to reveal your beauty secrets?
I think you should just like have good thoughts. I think when you think nicely and you feel like, you feel good and positive, then you look nice. I mean, that's the case with me. If I'm in a shit mood, then I look bad. I'm going to start shooting for Karan's film now very soon, which I'm very nervous and very excited about. I feel like पिछले 7-8 महीनों में मैंने बस फिल्में रिलीज करी हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है मुझे एक्टिंग करना मैं भूल गई हूँ. So I'm looking forward to going back to my real job, which is to act. So that will happen now, and that's the thing I'm looking forward to. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Gauri Nanika.
You're very popular everywhere. Many of them are wearing them.
Yeah, they're amazing.
I think beauty is a state of mind. So for me, I think if I'm happy, I feel beautiful.
Okay. Now, usually, I know you've started working with red carpets and everything. You've actually started in your life now. But then since you've been visiting all these awards earlier and Unicorn, usually how long do you take to get ready in these events?
I think this is my first actually award show that I've actually been attending. But yeah, I'm really excited and this is my first one. So I don't think it took me too long. About an hour, and it was lots of fun getting ready. So the entire experience made it amazing.
Your first red carpet, कोई special तैयारी की special nervousness something like that?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I think everybody was really happy and positive around me. So I think that really matters, and that's why I'm happy here.
Style icon.
My style icon is I have many. But I love Deepika, the way she dresses, the way she carries herself. Anushka is beautiful, and Sonam, of course. But yeah, those would be my three favorites.
So Arya, what's the latest review trend you've been following or you appreciate the latest review?
I don't follow any trends. I think for me, comfort is most important. So if I'm comfortable in what I'm wearing, I think it's a statement by itself. So I think comfort is the key, and also right now I'm going through a boho chic phase where it's just comfortable, easy and cool. So yeah.
According to you, who is the beautiful person in Bollywood? Like if you can name a few.
I think Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. I think she's beautiful inside out, and that really reflects in what she wears, how she looks, and the way she walks the red carpet. So definitely would be Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Last question. Since you are here, we cannot let you go without asking about the hero thing. So since the trailer is now released, how much excited are you and
I'm super excited. Touch wood. I feel blessed that we've gotten such good reviews, and I hope all of you all enjoy the movie. And yeah, I'm really happy that so far we've been accepted. Compliments, just that it looks young, I look fresh, and it looks entertaining. So hopefully that's what comes across it. Beauty tips. Drink lots of water. Sunblock is a must, and I think if you're natural and happy, I think you look most beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Where is that? India? I mean, like in India? I think Kangana and Deepika. Yeah. Yes. Yes, it's releasing this year. I have 2 movies releasing this year, and I think the first look of the first movie is going to be out around this month, end of the month. Oh, very excited, because I've been shooting for these 2 films for over 2 years, and it's finally coming out. Very excited. Keep it simple, keep it clean, easy. Just wear what you're comfortable in. Don't try too hard, and just wear what you're comfortable in.
How do you take to get ready for events?
Oh God, I don't look like this, you know, when I wake up, but there's makeup artists, there's hairstylists and stylists and designers who really help to look like this, you know. Alright, thanks, bye.
Yeah, I know. They're the best. So, yeah. G. I think to me, beauty means feeling good. So, it has to be skin deep. It's not just what's on the exterior, you know. It's important to look good on the exterior, but you will only do that if you're feeling good about yourself, which means taking care of your skin, eating well, which I don't do, but I need to. And, you know, just feeling good about yourself, even with no makeup on. Makeup can only enhance what's there, you know. So, I think that's what it means to me. Red carpet takes time, you know, because I mean, full hair and makeup, whatever, like 45 minutes to an hour. But in my daily life, 10 minutes. Very quick. Yeah. I'm sorry? My style icon, I would say in Bollywood is Rekha, because she is timeless and she always looks good, and her style says a lot about her personality, you know, which I think is nice when your personality reflects in your style. I don't have many secrets because I'm not as strict as I should be about my beauty regime, you know. But I drink a lot of water. I think doing a lot of physical activity is good. I'm a dancer. So when you sweat it out on a daily basis and your like pores open, your skin all starts looking better, you know. So I think having a good workout, whatever it may be, for me it's dance, you should do that, you know, because I think that helps your skin as well as your body. I've been to a Vogue Beauty Awards before and it's always really fun. It's very educational for someone like me who doesn't know too much about makeup, because they tell you what the best mascara is, they tell you what the best of everything is, you know, so it's very educational. It's quite nice, yeah. G. I've been hearing so many nice things, which is so lovely, because so far my dance has been released, Hame Bhi Pyar Kar Le. It's a mujra. And I think I had such a good time doing it because it was so graceful the way it was choreographed. I've been getting very nice feedback from that. And today our romantic song has also been released called Champai Rang, which is like the most soothing and old world charm of romance. You know, it's just lovely. So people have been liking it. It's on YouTube now. I think it'll be on TV tomorrow. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to hear people's feedback. I'm sorry? Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Beauty to me. Well, obviously there is an external beauty that people consider, and that alone I think is important, but I think what's more important than that is what is inside, and that kind of reflects on the outside, and with that combined, I think that's what defines sexy. I'm sorry? Who's my style icon in Bollywood? It's a very tricky question. Well, everyone carries their own distinct style. I wouldn't say that there's one particular style icon in Bollywood that one would follow. I have my own very distinct taste in fashion and in style. I admire the work of others and I admire the way they carry themselves. But as far as to say that there's one idol or icon would be unfair. शूट तकरीबन मुकम्मल हो गई है. आई थिंक 8-10 दिन का काम बाकी रह गया है. वो सारे का सारा अब यहीं पे मुंबई में होगा कंप्लीट. एंड होपफुली इंशाल्लाह अगले साल आई थिंक इन द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर विल बी सीइंग द रिलीज. मैंने तो फिल्म को कभी कोई इनकार नहीं किया. हमारी अच्छी अभी भी जो है रैपो है, दोस्ती है, बातचीत है. आई हैव ऑल द लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर अनिल साहब एंड द होल फैमिली, द होल कपूर फैमिली, एंड आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद देम व्हेनेवर द अपॉर्चुनिटी कम्स नेक्स्ट. आई थिंक जो चीज़ जो सबसे ज़्यादा एक हर्डल आया था वो टाइम लाइन्स थी जो आपस में शायद कोइंसाइड नहीं कर पा रही थी. आई सोनम वाज बिजी इन हर ओन प्रोजेक्ट्स. रिया इज़ आई थिंक करंटली वर्किंग ऑन another pet project of ours called Saath Hindustani. तो amidst all those things मैं भी एक आध काम में लग गया था, तो इसलिए ये चीज़ें coincide नहीं हो पाई. बाकी तो I think is all conjecture.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I was amazed to see the versatility of product offering, and I enjoyed the experience trying all the different beauty products that were shown to me and judging them for the first time. It was a novel experience.
Okay. And what are your expectations from the Vogue Beauty Awards?
Well, like always, I expect the best to participate, and based on certain criteria, I'm sure the awards will be given correctly. We've all, thought it out and made our decisions based on the quality of the product and everything else that is required. So, Thank you.
And happy with yourself, and that's really going to translate. And besides that, like I said, with me, whether it's makeup, hair, beauty products, everything is very minimal. So it's more your skin and your glow.
Thank you.
Thank you.